And this is my second surprise. This was the apartment that my beautiful girlfriend organized for me. Look at this view. But wait. The best. A terrace. Wow. This is amazing. Ooh, this is for us. Wow.
Familia, let's go!
Second day surprise. Como Lake.
Hello familia and welcome to our channel. For today's video, we want you to join us and enjoy this beautiful lake, a place where you can easily get lost in their small streets. But don't worry, you will always gonna find a fresh gelato italiano and of course, a pizza place. Yes, they were super yummy. But in this channel, we don't talk only about food. Don't think that this is the most important thing for us. Or maybe yes, but we also love the landscape, the nature, the people, but food. Fresh fish that you can eat easily at the restaurant or you can order to take home. What you will do? After exploring small towns around the lake, was time to jump into it. And the best way was a self-drive boat.
How you like it, my love?
Where you wanna go, baby? Let's go.
Como Lake, what can be better? Hola familia!
We are here in Como Lake, beautiful Italy. Our amazing friend and a skipper, photographer, videographer.
Allora, 2020, Lithuania. Drunk Lithuania against drunk Argentina. Okay, boom. Vamos, vamos. Okay, vamos. Serena Williams. Berankis. Rička. Navickas. Oba! Vamos! Vamos, vamos. Oh.
The place was just a dream, the view something incredible. After swimming and playing some tennis, we spent some time with the local neighbors that we met there, talking about life, wine, business and more. But the party was just starting. We continued with the celebration of my birthday to close at what I would like to call a perfect day in Como Lake. And okay familia, this was all for today. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are new in this channel, please subscribe for more. This will be a great support for us. Thank you so much and see you in the next one.